Hey everyone, how's it going? So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw Cuphead from the new Cuphead show on Netflix. So hope you get to follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with Cuphead, we're going to begin with the head. Let's start right here, and we're going to start by making a little line that's just going to come right across. So we're going to put a little bit of a curve to it, so we're just going to kind of bring it up and then down just a little bit. Next, starting here, we're going to make a line that's going to go down, and then it's going to come up. So we're going to come down, and just bring it up in like a smiley face shape. Right about here, we're going to make a small oval shape for the nose. So we want to put it right about here. We'll bring this around, and make that little oval shape. Now, starting right here, almost about the halfway point, we're going to make a line that's going to come down, really close to the oval, and then we're going to come up. So we're just going to go down, we're going to get really close to that oval, and we're going to bring it almost all the way to the top. Then we're going to bring a little line here. Next, we'll make a little line that comes up, just a tiny bit. Now, starting here, we're going to make kind of like a partial oval shape. So we're going to start about here. We're going to come up. We'll bring this down. Then we're going to come right up to about here. Bring this down a little farther. Next, we're going to make a line that's going to come in and then back out. Starting here, let's do about the same thing. We're just going to draw a line that's going to come down and then back up a little bit. This time we're going to come down and then up. Then we're going to go in and then come back out. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come down at like an angle. Then we want to curve off each end, so we'll add a little curve on each end. We're going to bring this down really close to the side of his face, and then we'll just bring it right up to here. Next, let's bring a line that just comes down and then up for his teeth. Then we'll just go ahead and add 1, 2, and 3 little lines in here. For his tongue, let's draw a line that goes up and down one more time. We'll draw a little curved line here, and a little line right here by the eye. Now we want to make that straw that's coming out of his head. So we're going to begin right about here. We're going to draw a line that's going to come up, and then we're going to bring it over here. We'll bring this line up a little bit. We'll come over, then we're just going to curve it down like this. Right here, I'm going to add 2 little curved lines. And right here, I'm going to add 2 little curved lines. Now let's work on the arm. So we want to start right about here, kind of lined up with just underneath his tongue, and we're going to make a line that's going to go out and then come down. So we'll start here, we're going to go out, and then we're just going to bring it down. We'll make a little line that comes over. Then we're going to go up, and we're going to bring it right back towards the body, or the head, I should say. Starting here, let's add a little line that's just going to go up and then down. Right here, we're going to add a little line that curves, and another one right here that just curves down. Right about here, let's draw a line. We're going to bring it out, and then we're going to pull it right back in. Next, we're going to draw a line that's going to go down and up. We'll do that same thing. We're just going to kind of go down and then bring it up. We'll bring this line up a tiny bit. We're going to come out and bring it back to here. Right here we'll add 3 little lines. He kind of has like that Mickey Mouse hand. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come out, and we're going to bring it right back towards the head. We'll do the same thing here. We're just going to come out and then bring it down. Right here, we're going to draw a line that's going to go down, and we're just going to curve this up to here. Now for his pants, let's draw a line that's going to come up and then down to the finger. Then we're going to bring this down and in. Next, we're going to bring this line down and into here, leaving just a little bit of space. Right here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down. I'm going to bring it over and then up. Right here, we'll do the same thing. We'll come over and up. For his legs, let's draw a line that comes in and down, and we'll repeat that same thing. We go kind of out and then bring it in. We'll do that same thing over here. Just kind of go in and down, and then out and in. Then we can just connect this line here, and we'll do the same thing here. For his shoes, let's start with a line that just curves out, and we're going to bring it back in. And right here, we're just going to make a line that's going to curve up, and we're going to bring it down. I'm going to bring this to about here. Then we're going to go down and curve it up. We'll add a little line here. Then right underneath here, I'm going to make that same line. So I'm going to go down and up, and then down and back up. Right here, we'll make a little line that curves and comes down. We'll make another line that's just going to come out, and we'll bring it to here. Next, we'll make a little line here. And right here, we'll make a line that comes down and up. Now, right here for his other hand, let's draw a line that's going to come down. We'll make a line that comes out and down for one of the fingers. Then we'll make another one that goes out, and we'll just kind of curve it back down. Right here, we'll do the same thing. We're going to go out, we're going to curve it around, and then bring it back. We'll draw a little curved line up, and bring this line right into here. We'll add a small line here. And right here, we're just going to add 1, 2, and 3 lines. And there you go. There is your drawing of Cuphead from the new Cuphead show. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.